LG has added to its incredible range of products for the home, a fridge with amazing new features and a cordless vacuum that will change the way you clean your house.
The V635 side-by-side fridge features LG's InstaView glass door that allows you to see inside by just knocking on the panel twice, as well as a clever, easy access compartment that allows you to raid the fridge without letting all the cool air out. Speaking of cooling, LG's SurroundCooling sends cold air from the front and back of the fridge, maintaining an even temperature throughout. The ice maker and water dispenser are special too. LG's Craft Ice Maker produces these beautiful, slow-melting round ice balls, freezing them slowly for increased clarity and transparency. The water dispenser includes a UV light to reduce bacteria, automatically sanitizing the nozzle for 10 minutes every hour. The V635 can be plumbed into the house too, so you don't have to refill the jug or the ice tray ever again.
LG's A9T Ultra Vacuum Cleaner makes emptying the vacuum cleaner easier than ever, as well as offering all the power you need to clean even the most stubborn surfaces.
The new Quart Zero all-in-one tower automatically empties the vacuum's dustbin when it's placed in the dock to charge. It hygienically transfers the dustbin's contents into a replaceable dust storage bag through a 3-step filtration system that prevents any particles from escaping. The A9T Ultra also features interchangeable batteries, so there's no waiting for a charge if you're on a cleaning spree. Its powerful suction and nozzle accessories, including the power drive mop, make tackling all your cleaning faster and more efficient.
Whether you're looking for one of the most advanced fridges out there or a revolutionary way to clean your house, LG has you covered.